Alright, what's up guys? Sandman here with another tool review. This is my Dewalt concrete grinder. Basically, it's an angle grinder with a concrete diamond cut blade and a dust shroud. And it hooks up to your vacuum hose. That's my dust deputy there, the dust separator. Anyways, this thing spins at 11,000 RPM. And it comes with this dust shroud, which I like very much. And this swivels and it doesn't come off, so it keeps your hose connected. Other thing is, this handle is removable if you don't want it, or if you need to get close to this side of the wall or in a corner, you can take this off and just use it like this. Another thing, if you want to get right up to the edge, this shroud slides right back and you can get right up to the wall. Right there. As for capturing dust, it does work pretty well, which I'm going to be showing you in a minute. What we're going to be doing here is grinding down some of these lumps and uneven spots in this concrete here. As you can see here, we have to make this nice and flat because we're going to be putting a transition piece to the wood floor, and all this is going to get wood flooring. We're going to be doing a glue down here, but I just want to show you guys a little demonstration of my grinder here. So let's get to it. All right. Alright, now you can see how well that works. And one thing with this grinder, you must hold it flat so that the dust shroud is touching the ground. It has little brushes here, but you must make sure you hold it flat. If you hold it at an angle, it's going to spit dust, just so you know. Other than that, it works really well. See, it's all nice and smooth now. This is going to be perfect. It's a good thing that we're doing this, because we're going to be doing a glue down here. So now the glue is going to have somewhere to bite down on the concrete, because this is a nice smooth surface. It was just been poured. It was self-leveling, and you want the glue to grab to the surface of the self-leveling. So doing this really helps it out. Anyways, there you go. Dewalt concrete grinder. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys.